to help the people at the front line. The doctors, nurses, we do need the money. All my students in the United States, my friends, and you, every one of you guys can help. $20, $10, $5, $100, whatever you can do. We do need masks and some medical protective gears. However, anything we can do. Put your energy, positive energy, that prayer, that meditation, that serenity to see your connection with the people. Let's do it together. You and me, we can change the coronavirus epidemics. Not only in China, not only in the United States, but worldwide. Let's do it together. Thank you.